Welcome back to another workout. My name is Manny and I will be your fitness instructor for today. Follow along as I take you through a nice and easy pull day workout. We are starting today's pull day workout by hitting the back with a cable lat pull down. The lat pull down is amazing for creating the V taper by developing the lats and the upper back. We are going to be doing a total of 3 sets in every exercise in today's workout. Make sure you rest a total of 60 seconds in between each set. After hitting the back, we are moving on to the biceps, going to be targeting them with a cable bicep curl. This variation of a bicep curl is great for developing bicep strength and size because it keeps the tension on the bicep throughout the entire movement. After hitting the biceps, we're moving on to an exercise that targets the back yet again with a seated cable row. And the cables again keeps the tension on the back muscles and the mid back, and this exercise is great for developing the width of your back and the thickness of it as well. Going to be finishing today's pull day workout by hitting the biceps yet again with a standing dumbbell hammer curl, which targets the brachialis of the bicep, giving a fuller look to your bicep and forearm. And that concludes our workout for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, stay tuned, and thank you for watching.